Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do my face makeup. I did the eye look for a video on Instagram. So I'm starting off with some Benefit Porefessional Primer. I think it fills in my pores a little bit, but that is definitely not what I use it for mainly. In fact, I don't really use primer that often, but I do find that this keeps my skin quite matte. So yeah, but yeah. It's quite expensive, so you decide. Pat, 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 pat. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Superstay foundation. I love this. Here I'm showing you I only use one pump for this look. And I'm just taking a little bit on a kabuki brush and swirling it all over my skin, just to cover all the uneven skin tones in my skin, whatever. Here I'm just using a smaller brush to use the rest of the foundation on my hand to cover specific blemishes on my skin and to cover my dark circles, as you can see. But that is not all. Yes, concealer, Maybelline Fit Me, shade number 5. So I just pop a few dots in the center of my face. As you can see, I just use a little bit. Rimmel Stay Matte translucent powder. I just pop that on with a little brush. Pat, 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 pat. Pat, 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 pat. And I just also go over my skin with a bigger brush. Hoola bronzer from Benefit. I have the mini one. Tap excess off, not blow. Now I use that to contour and bronze at the same time. As you can see over here, I don't really do full-on contouring anymore, or that often. I basically just bronze. Demonstration on both sides. Now I'm just using a little angled brush to do my nose. Yep, I just follow my nose. Essence Matte Touch Blush in Bury Me Up is the next thing. They are very pigmented and inexpensive, so I highly recommend the Essence blushes. And then the Wet n Wild highlighter in I think it's Blossom something. It's Blossom Glow from Robin of the Future. I also just put that all over my face so that I can look like I am oily. MAC Fix Plus. Of course. Now onto lips. I'm using the LA Girl lip liner. It's a very cool toned pinky one. And then I realized that I don't like only that color, and I would like to deepen it up with a darker LA Girl lip liner. It's like a mauvey color. Basically contoured my lips and blend it out with my finger. Now the LA Girl matte lipstick in Snuggle. I just pat that all over my lips. And another lip product. Wow, Robin, wow. It's an Avon gloss. I really like this. And now it's time to find an angle that works for me. Please ignore my inner corner of my false lash. Wow, this is awkward. Thanks for watching. If you want to see the eye look, you can go on Instagram. And if you want to see more videos, you can subscribe and like and comment. And follow me on Instagram. Okay, bye.